Today I will tell you some basic aspects of English that you may know, of course, that you all know, yes, but we'll just do a little bit of revision. We know English starts with alphabet, and those alphabet make the whole pronunciation. The sound of A, the sound of B, sound of C, CH makes the ch sound. All the sounds are formed by using the 26 letters and alphabets that we have, right? So the first thing is alphabet, and then the pronunciation related to that. Just take a little revision after this session if you don't remember anything. Otherwise, we all know that, right? And then after that, grammar. Now, how grammar helps us? It helps us to put all the words together. When we put the words correctly in a sequence, it becomes a sentence. Like, what will be the subject, then the verb, the adjectives, the adverbs, the sentence, whole object. You can put everything together and form a proper sentence by using grammar, right? Then there are sentences and sentence structure that we call subject-verb agreement. That also helps us with sentence structure. Sentences have a structure. I cannot just say that he boy is a. That is wrong, right? I have to say he is a boy. So all the sentences have a structure. How do I know he will come in the beginning, then there'll be is, then there'll be a, then there'll be boy? That is what we have to learn. We have to understand the whole structure of a sentence. Then there are capital letters, small letters, punctuation marks like period, question mark, exclamation marks, comma. We have to understand their usage, right? Yes. Then come one typical part, that is tenses. I think we all are quite scared of tenses, but don't worry, we'll practice them together and then you won't be. So verbs change to show something happened. Like, I want to say I went to the market tomorrow. I went to the market yesterday. So you can only know that I went to the market in past by the use of proper tenses. So I will eat food, that means in future I will eat. I eat, that means that is talking about regularity. So these tenses tell you everything when that thing happened. That is how tenses help us. Okay? After that, there is vocabulary. That plays a very important part. There are all the words that we know. We know that there is something sad, tired, happy, but there are many words that we have to work on. A lot of the words that we have to gradually increase. We have to gradually increase our lexicon. Okay? We will work on that. Then there are common phrases and expressions. Like if I say hi, how are you, hello, all of that are common phrases and expressions that we put together and we form complete sentences. So that is again very important. Then comes reading and writing, how we read the words, how we pronounce the words, how we write properly. That is again an important part of a language, any language per se, right? Then listening and speaking is an important part. If you listen properly, you'll be able to speak properly. If you listen properly, you'll be able to write properly. Yes, if you speak properly, you'll be able to write properly. So all of that are connected together. Everything that brings our thoughts and ideas together. It helps you communicate our ideas and in a proper format, right? Then practice, because I told you practice makes everyone perfect. We'll do it together. But you have to be curious. You have to ask questions in English to understand it in a better way. You have to properly, you have to be curious. You have to come across the things that you don't understand, then ask, then find a great way to learn them. That is how you learn new things every day. Remember, learning a language is like learning how to ride a bike, I would say. It takes time, it will take your patience, it will take a lot of practice. But start with the basics, gradually build up your skills, and importantly, have fun with it. Don't make it boring. Listen to something that is interesting. Write amazing things that write your thoughts interestingly. Speak with people, have fun with the words, use new words every day, and that way you'll do great with it. Now, I would like to, just like that, I would like to give you an interesting idiom for today. Call it a day. You know what call it a day means? It is, that's it for today. It is not that's it for today. We will learn a lot of new things today itself, but call it a day means that's it for today. You can use it in your school, in your college, after a class, after meeting with a friend. Let's call it a day for now. That means that's it for now. So we will learn more in next session. Bye bye.